Hello, my name is Egg Master and today my chef will be making the fluffiest version of me. Hi guys, welcome to the Authentic Cooking Show episode 3, the fluffiest egg that you'll ever make. These are all the ingredients that you'll be needing for this recipe. Also, you can experiment a lot with the vegetables that are mentioned here. I personally love these vegetables, so I've chosen these. You can choose whatever vegetables that you like. Now put a pan on low heat, put some onions and then add some chopped garlic into it. Now I've put bell peppers, tomato and baby spinach. You can be as creative as you want and choose maybe mushrooms, broccoli and whatever vegetable that you like. Now add about half a tablespoon of salt and half a tablespoon of red chili powder and cook it for about 7-8 minutes on low heat. Your mixture will look like this. You can make it more beautiful by adding different kinds of vegetables into it. Now let it cool for some time and we'll start the preparation of the eggs. Take a baking container. You can use a solid glass, that is absolutely safe. And grease it with butter. Now I've taken about 6 eggs here because I was really hungry that time. So you can take as many eggs that you want depending on your appetite. Add some salt, add some pepper to it and then whisk it really well. Now all you have to do is mix the vegetables in the egg and make sure your vegetables are not hot. Now put this beautiful mixture into the baking container. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. And now finally put the baking container in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. And your fluffiest baked egg is ready. Do let us know your feedback in the comment section below. And if you've liked the video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.